Abrantia na Obejan na Dormaahene no mse oni na ni ye okache nse me catch the last time you came I told you say okache nse criminal matter come back to the court with the same person be Dormaahene here no one na Adjuman Badu the lawyer Tadio sorry and a actual letter Abre court ni say he cannot come. You have filed 2 motions on the 18th chada na sebi ye bompa say trial judge no be hu bia mabo be hu Ghana for nyina mabo na sebi say 2 motions na both parties na filing no the matter will be here because they want to delay the matter and they want to disrupt constitutional process, and for that matter we pray that those motions on that day will be here. Yeah, here Dormaahene will be tried. I'm saying he will be tried. Only to me be Okrumano. What does it? He has no authority. But meanwhile, he keep on misleading the young ones in this country. Who are you? You have nobody. But of course, because of constitutional provision, and all of us are resolved, Sampa, the very respect here home. The need to be home. You be home. Mean to me, mommy near about any so and family who there must be that reasoning, and so we must respect each other at all times. And Bufuni said he want Dormaahene to be here in person. We are the banter Asemna Yohano, Ghana and Ono, and yet matter will be to me and Paul be our name, and yes, civil matter. A criminal matter. So what I say, once it's a criminal matter and then you have been cited, it's all about don't try and then try to behave that you are authority. You don't have authority and you're on throne woody. Once over the weekend recently, or can we say Ampa say a good day or no Nasa or the man or being to mote. Why do you want to lie? Because you lie, because you are lying in the sense that look, at the end of the day, the constitution of this country has made it clear. A good day be a was as to be a Okruma be a bind there. Now
Santamasu TV. Yes, Sampa.
Ya wada aye kwita wonsa bosome no ne da etoso eda miensa ewo afimpino ene aduonu enum ni mu na mema ye nyina ya te ye ho asese ene dai no na Sampa nsensem ni nyina na ye besan atena so ewo Kumasi High Court hanum se ya eno enenam so ama ene dai ya ba bepie mu ewo hanum se na ye ba ye ne ye hwa ahemfo no dodo na aba se de da bia ne da nyina omusi atoto ne ma na efa no ntuchu ani ede kwhwa ahemfo dodo na aba minim se bibre na so enam kwan so eba ye hwemu a ye hu Bono Regional House of Chiefs omo registrar no amakunadu ye hu se ono so ewa hanum se ye hu se ono so ewa hanum se abusuafo se sei de ye nyina ye twen ye wa twen ye mu ye nim se ene dai de se de tie bia no ewo se Dormaahene ono ye Bono Regional House of Chiefs president no se de tie bia no ene dai ewo se oba ebepie mu ewa hanum se na de wo bia no ewo mra kwan so no ya hye se de ni nyina ebegu ekwam ye nyina ye nim se Sampa ho sensem ye asore ache na ne etu ahyada eche na ne etu ahyada ene de ka ho bebre ansa na ye hye ene den no ye nyina ye nim se na ewo se Dormaahene eba nanso otubofo na ema ne baaye eno nam so na ama omusan etu eda no ede hye ene de ya ye ba begina ha me no kase se sei de ye nyina ye twen se Dormaahene eba bepie mu ewa hanum se na de court wo nyina no omo aka ede akyere ye aha eya Santamasu TV.
Abusafo ya mwakwaba ene court day na ohwe se de nya amapa ejina ha. Yene ni bedi komo efa Sampa sensem. The last time I share our court can say Adjuman Badu otunifo say omra court na onwa kasa embeka de ntia court afre no awoma. Ene e ba bepie mu ha court atena se awie. E ba betie fie nua amase nchen. E de na court kan na e de na asisi amase biya bako.
Adama biya bako.
Ene de din kan well,
I'm saying it's important that we go back over the last weekend. You see, the president of the Ashanti Nation arrived upon the visit of the King of Eswati, or by Ashanti by extension, the Ghanaian people never shared money or money. So it's important to say the share upon so now Yadanase, Yamanu, Managia Tumshampa, Oyeno, Esogana Fweni, and Ampane, Ashanti. And clearly over the weekend, a demonstrator Sampa is the president of the Ashanti Nation, and forever and ever will be the president of the Ashanti Nation. See the Ghana for us, Ghana man penny and a Ghana man penny for maternity. That program was successful. We are grateful to them. The Ashanti Nation is grateful to the people of this country. Because on the Thai Champa, Ashanti or mine, and on by a double dome, and I assume it. And clearly, fast forward, by court. I think we came here on the 16th nearby, and then court MIS on the 3rd of July. Today, the 3rd of July, we come back to the court. And we're proceeding in the about court. See about court, I'm saying the trial judge, and when I'm for an hotel, Kunyamuno, Abrantia na Obejan na Dormaahene no, I'm saying only na ni ye. Okache nse me catch the last time you came. I told you say Okache nse criminal matter. Come back to the court with the same person. Be Dormaahene here no one. But the main reason why Sebi and I can sound to Asemna Shedani say, and Tadio Sorry. I think if you know Tadio Sorry, he's one of the renowned lawyers in this country. On a lawyer, a friend petitioners, and once the Chief Justice, our crewman, a month for BC, or Diana Munsembi into Mompamno. Tisan Crofona, Mompamno, Tadio Sorry, and no lawyer. And I think within this week, as a he's engaged in response to that petitioner, or more trial the Chief Justice. Until he may be in that process, and for that matter, he cannot avail himself to me balanum. And on that ground, that reason fairly effect. Actually, letter back court to no Sampa, he cannot come today, and for that matter, or share court no say Ampa, or Mon Sonasina, or more joining the matter. So the matter will come on either on Wednesday or Friday, right? Friday, until 18th of July. Until the 18th of July, that is where the matter will come. The reason why Umayi has sent me say, Nana Ajuman Badu, the lawyer, Tadio Sorry. All right, and the actual letter, Abre Court, and they say he cannot come because he's a petitioner from Crofona, Sebi, the Chief Justice, so he cannot come. So you have to put this in perspective, and you have to tell the Ghanaian people that is the story.
And Musa, Omame, Ujidi says, said the Musi, fanning terms, Abebwa.
Well, Sebi, once a year to say, as a Santima, when I'm Namania, Sebi eba ahinsem amamre ye no ofie with that speed we can do it, but ha Ghana asem and it's a constitutional matter. And so once the person nipa natural letter and indeed say ampa Tadio Sorry and then the lawyer for the petitioners also mompam the Chief Justice and he on to me madia judge no ni can and it was 18th we will come back and then question for the matter will be tried, and once the matter will be tried, contempt in the channel the friends and the lawyer for the petitioners the Chief Justice nufi ono Tadio Sorry. Tadio Sorry believe in the law. Tadio Sorry said like, the law is the law. If the law is the law, and then today the Chief Justice is being tried, clearly Dormaahene can also be tried. If it's a high court judge, he can equally be tried. So the law is the law, and he'll be tried. Whether Tadio Sorry or whether no Tadio Sorry, he'll be tried, and the contempt will be executed. But you know,
Bibi Kitibia, a fire soon. Say, Nipa obesi, Najma Beduana, Dormaahene, Nipa obesi, and I know, cotton crab food. I didn't see it.
Well, clearly, before the court, Omar filed 2 motions. We have filed 2 motions on the 18th. Shadana, Sebi, yeah, bonfire said, try judge, no who be amabo, who Ghana for Yamabo. Now, Sebi, so 2 motions now, both parties are now filing. No, the matter will be here because they want to delay the matter and they want to disrupt constitutional process. What I say, and for that matter, we pray that those motions on that day will be here. Yeah, here, the man will be tried. I'm saying he will be tried. Only to me be a Krumanum. What I say, he has no authority. But meanwhile, he keep on misleading the young ones in this country. Who are you? You have nobody. But of course, because of constitutional provision, and all of us are resolved, Sampa, you better respect your home. You need to be my home. You better be your home. Mean to me, mommy near about any issue and family. I can't slap you and leave you because there's law. There must be that reasoning, and so we must respect each other at all times. And that is why the court can't say you should accept it. Court can't say you won't pay it. Today, that's what I'm saying. Tadio Sorry believe. Or believe we say petitioners no more that the Chief Justice should be removed a law. And today the contempt that Dormaahene, I know Tadio Sorry believes is a law. Or a learned person, fine brain, and he know. And Tibetano, whether Tadio Sorry or no Tadio Sorry, one of the biggest lawyers in this country, I'll become no 2 ways. Tadio Sorry believe that the law is the law.
The enemy Busane say, yet Tibisa, Nipa obesi Najma Beduana, Cotton Bufu, no,
Nejani Bufu say. He want Dormaahene to be here in person. The other banter, Asemna Yohano, a Ghana and Ono. What I say? Inti, and yet matter will be Timakasha and Paul be made your name, and just civil matter, a criminal matter. So what I say, once the criminal matter and then you have been cited, it's all Bahabi. Until you don't sit at the you won't travel pato and then try to behave that you are authority. You don't have authority, and you're on throne woody. Once over the weekend recently, or can be say Ampa, say, a good day be or no Nasa or the man will be into Mote. So a good day, or Nasa say Omobintu. Why do you want to lie? Make us all lie, make us our need because you are lying in the sense that look, at the end of the day, the constitution of this country has made it clear. A good day be a was as to be a Okruma be a bind there. Now, Sebi, as Antiman and Kaya Jimiana, Nanko Boasi gold mine, Babyani. What I say? Nanka yenyi sa gold machine na entuye. But I'm say a good day be was as be a bind there. Nemum say bind there. If the government is using that resource, it must use the resource in our benefit. but don't try patum ending troje na agudie bi and come me dom asase so and come pinu muntu but me when you read the constitution 257 clause 5 a church ampa agudie bi aya bind dia but why do you sit there na ma uma bunu kutu pa say na nka domain dan come pinu obi ntu but me why you don't have authority yeah man ya see film so your lawyer he knows all these provisions of the constitution and he keep on throwing dust in the eyes of the ordinary Ghanaian and you fair time onyai
afa ye free contempt na yen share na na gazette no ho sensem so far I say dey be be court bia asa say ye ka contempt ho asem ye jai ne gazette no ho asem
the gazette is deliberate ebuapaye no ye the reason why ebuapaye ne share I think when the friends the registrar came to the court almost say the document I submit him at the regional house of chief they have to go into a meeting and then decide whether somebody ban or famba. We are telling the Ghanaian people that Dormaahene is a diabolical character and he's a liar and a dubious and it's sorry to say he doesn't deserve to be where he is. Do you know why? Because you're a lawyer and the Chieftaincy Act clearly tells you what is your role in respect to the Chieftaincy institution or in your role as a president of the Boone Regional House of Chief. What do you have to do? Documents now, but documents no me so mama do birth set ebreme say you shebi na apoku me ba na apoku me ni why register of birth me ti o say enye me oba no. It's not my duty. Said my duty is your father between your father and your mother to decide who is the DNA test. So it's the duty of the Sampa Traditional Council to bring documents of your Sampa Mahene. Once or the bar, you the regional house of chief, you have no authority. You have no authority. All right. So once you have no authority, you don't come and tell the Ghanaian people say now what the say you got transfer. I got here. Why you forward it?
Document traditional council and also provided the call national and I say regional and also provided the call national.
But Daroma shabi BBI processes. Shabi you free the Sampa Traditional Council. Now process then this Sampa Traditional Council. The acting president our Nana Kojo Masa was the one signing here. To signing here ahimfo almost fata the kingmakers. Omunya signing here. To signing and they forwarded the document to the regional house of chief. And once I do the regional house of chief, what you have to do is to forward the document to the national house of chief. Sana humanity only he can be. But meanwhile, you are telling people in this country as if you have authority to decide on that document. You don't have the authority. You want to tell the people of this country say, and then only say authority no obwa in no di in futu no gu and I need be a friend of Bono. There's nothing like Bono. There's nothing like Bono. We keep on saying the 1959 bill of the Boone Ahafo region. I have what in home and the Boone was at home. Clearly, Shabi Obi or I a friend is a Tanoso and Obi or Sampa Sequa and in Cheshire Shabi on to me and Mesum and out to me and Asante Sem. So what I say, and the Yase Ubenya I Dormaahene, a learned person, Dormaahene, Jenny a learned person, and then another Dormaahene keep on misleading you in the house. Chabi, any demo or keep on misleading you.
Well, rather be my memusao. Yet it is a Dormaahene, na Dormaahene man say, or said that maybe say, young gazette, Sampa hima, and also,
you say any hima, Sampa hima toy, Shabi, or buy him a toy and see hima. It is what to say, Shabi, be your him, and I am fun to be now. Shabi, let's talk about the relevant here. The relevance is the fact that there's no Oba hima in Sampa, but he said he's a learned person. Dormaahene. It is obvious said Nana your Sampa hima. He should bring the document. On which say this is a president. Me president. I've come to meet in the archive. Say we ne Sampa then Oba hima. This is a document. Now the abeche Ghana for no more. But you cannot provide any document. But you sit down there, a learned person, a lawyer, a high court judge. You say now you Oba hima or Sampa. You are misleading the people. It's enough. It's high time that he desists from that indiscipline with the greatest of respect.
I'm also doing Nimni, my Musa. Baby, I drew no. Yentimi and found national street. Now, yes, I say, I have
Kwanya. Nayamra Wanshi, Emamra. And there shall be Ukase or Pro Waya, the Nefe. Asantimai have shown all time and again that Asantimai will show respect, and Asantimai will follow due process. Once we follow due process, and to let some Wajafla be gazetted, not gazette to let some Wajafla, it therefore become a precedent. Precedent, they say, Asida. Enti asida no to let some Wajafla say no come enti ebema be abema na be asuade ehun amanyina, and that is what embody Asantimai enema Asantimai. And so whether say echo and cheo and I am fanko to let some Wajafla be gazetted.
My whole video be on social media. Every had the main chip in a mimusam. abrantie bi media minim so oyo hene so onyo hene but memfa ni di ma no san say obi ani ba bi onya ne sa ne di bra ne di free o se ye friend na kwaku bia o ka say asem na atia me ehwe ma ewuradi ye no ase atia kakra
well wadaroma am say menim bi a sha nana kwaku bia na ho bra hye mu o kasa fi ena menim akonya odi ena wadaroma hye odi akonya menim akonya odi sha akonya no odi no me gitum pa Sampa o hye ohene bi ahye okruma no ena sebi sha hin no hye na se okruma no osomo asanteman eni so osomo asanteman na se asanteman ka asem no se entonchia bi tia ya okobisa ne hin na and clearly he want to trend and he's misleading. He has no fuss. He's a disgrace. He's an unfit character to even speak. But first say because of democracy and now should be able to but he want to mislead. They can say I baby also your hen no ne hin ne hwan mensia in a trance ya can asem say mensia is a nation on its own. See, I can't someone you have no authority. Your officer you can't chia you come to the court if you drive a high court. And you know right say chia but you don't sit on social media and do propaganda with all those bloggers. Oh yeah, why? You are blogging and then you want to make money. It's not about money. It's about the fact say we want to make sure say I'm running by Juma and the law is here. So any fish Sampa, they should tell the people to come here. Yes, and it's here near Asantima Kano in the womb. The Otumfu Kano in the womb. And the reason why I say womb say customarily. Customarily. God has said, Adebia Asantima all right. Customarily, Adebia Asantima Kanemra. Because when you look at the source of law, all right, customary laws are laws. And this is Asantima etra Ninkonyam ana Asantima Otumfu transit. No can answer one. It therefore become binding. A show. Emma, you have to do what is right. It is only so Muntias and Asantima Kana. They should come to court. Until Sana no can say, Sebi, in Semna Kano, it was not right. He should tell those people, and I'm Copello and running me, a few monkey can't send them. Then they come to court and pack the Menshaka and no quay. What does so be doing? But for now, you have 2 more on them to let some of the flanes and Pamahene.
I must a jam walk, but you say by the Biano. Yen said who Samba Jafla. In so or ya by Juma a peace court judge. But I'm 80 you
oh, what Darma show whom you want to let some of the flies. I'm saying me new fashion in Pong. One semi new fashion in Pong. Sebi, I did be a Asana Nafuma, and I did be Asana Kumam, Asama Kumam. But I say, as I say, be an Amutubio to Biano, or to Mammy, and Otuma Bushan. Is a one who know, now whom you are home. But of course, said Juma he'll be here, and then he will demonstrate that he is an authority, or a very quiet but very fearsome. And very daring, and so clearly once opportunity ni bana onya kwanya na onkosom Ghana bind there he will come here and demonstrate no abe na Asante Semwano
na yakui Songa festival you say as a hon popue bi ba enu mugu so ana say
what Darma egu so enti and mere say fatam I think we be here no okuku and then we are going to do in respect of development you be say training college bi onum so once you want to build a training college there you want to plan and do it massively so you know we can get people who can support us to be able to embark on that journey and that is the essence. That is why we are packaged it so that we can relax and make sure we are able to do it at the right time and to do it diligently and that's the essence. Darma, we communicate the date to you as and when the time is ready but we will communicate to you at appropriate time amunya betima babi
adofo ne ahwefo na che said dia esi ewo eye court dan mo eye high court enne day eye 3rd July 2025 penifo edigu akwam se enne de se de tie bia no ewo se eye Dormaahene oye Bono Regional House of Chiefs president no eba be pie mu hanum se yenyina ye beka ya ansa na ye hye enne day no na yenyina ye nim ne yenya ne ntie se ewo se Dormaahene eba nanso sa bre no wa ma otu nipa ene ma ebofo no ebae eno nenam so emom tu hye eda se enne day ewo se Dormaahene ebe pie mu hanum se na che se de wo ho bia no ye hwie bibia na yenyina ye tie nkomo a ekọ so na che se Dormaahene enne nso so wantimi ansan ama me pie mu ewo hanum se we nam so ama ya san atu de ahyeda eye 18 July 2025 kopem se Dormaahene ankasa ba be pie mu ewo hanum se na de mpanimfo de agu akwan mu nyina no omo ahye atoto niema se de ese na efata eno nene ema ye be pie hanum se nti ene de ye be pie hanum se ya na chese ne ye hwe anim se eye na Dormaahene eba be pie mu ha nanso wantimi asama be pie mu hanum se enti say de court atu asan de ahyeda bim de besimu bia no Asantema so TV ye de atwire ye de ne nyina eba besom.
Oh, Ghana mine, Mabusia penny me swan Sampa nam. Canina near Titiamo rim near Sidan we are not so much one so Adani Adeswa. And Nedie, Adabov Company, was Santi Memu, Abedumie. I'm a dance so boy I am re. And chance I would draw a papa. I would do good dance with Madame Humi. Ebi say long span self lock, IBR, housing standard, hero tiles and shingles, steel trusses and woodworks, roofing sheets, squares, afei roofing nails. Nina, a dime Ebuniama, Adabov Company, at the Abebwaye, your office Ankasa, Ewo Ehia overseas junction, and a baby a Jumekwe factory in Ankasa wono, in Fencia, ye ben moba asorono, and Marin fit say when him before one with the sanchez, ebe good also at the Ama war, impose a winnie will be a bet me a frame, it was 0245 385109. Adabov Company Limited, say a dance somebody, and ye not one more a usimpitim.
Asante Manso TV. Yes, so Mosompa.